Hi everybody, it's Cindy the Scrapologist. I hope that this video finds you well. I've been incognito for a couple of weeks. I have had to, unfortunately, spend a ton of time on the business end of my shop and my studio. It's my least favorite thing to do. So I just uh, I just kind of shut down my studio for a couple of weeks and I'm trying to get some business stuff done. But in the meantime, some things have been adding up that I need to really get listed in my shop, but it's going to take me a while. As some of you may or may not know, it just takes a ton of time to do all the photography, do the listings, get it all up and running, and so I wanted to just do a quick video because if any of you want to buy some of this stuff, you can convo me through YouTube or through my Etsy shop. If I don't have the listing up yet, you'll save me from having to actually do all the photography and the listings. So if you see something here that you like that isn't in my shop, let me know and I can arrange to get it to you. So I have a friend who's fallen on some hard times because of COVID, because of the virus. She lost her job and she does gorgeous hand beading work. That's part of my problem with getting this listed is that these just aren't, I'm not really good at this kind of photography. There's some dangles that's more related to jewelry photography, and this kind of stuff I'm not really set up to do, so I'm really struggling with the photography aspect of it because it's not coming across how gorgeous her items are. So maybe in the video you'll be able to see how much work she puts into these. I'm very particular as to what goes in my shop. Only top quality items that are going to last are allowed to go into my shop. And she definitely, my friend, definitely, I am ecstatic to feature some of her products in my shop. So these are, this is going to be a set of 4. This one is listed currently in the shop, but like I said, the photos aren't just aren't doing it justice. These are fabrics that are fussy cut and attached with felt on the back and then hand beaded. I mean, just meticulous, gorgeous hand beading with little, I'm pretty sure these are glass beads. Here is one, and what I'm thinking is these would be gorgeous on a boho journal cover. I don't really have a larger journal right now. I just have smaller ones, but maybe that'll give you an idea. That doesn't really do it justice either, but but that's what I was thinking is gluing these on to a journal cover. They're just so beautiful. This one, see all the beading? I just wouldn't have the patience for this. I don't know how she does it. This is my favorite. I mean, there must be hundreds of beads in these four flowers. But this is so boho. And look at the intricate beading. Here there's 2 layers. She has pink and black. Turquoise pink, and it goes all the way up the edge there. So beautiful and original. You're not going to find anything like this anywhere else. And here's kind of a smaller version of this one, but again, just tons of beading on there. I'm sorry for the flicker, but I have to leave my autofocus on so that I can put these up close to the camera. So this is a set of 4 that's now available in my shop. And then she did some other beadwork that again is just going to look pretty on the cover of a journal. There's that. Again, it's backed, so it's going to be nice and sturdy. But this would look just beautiful on a journal cover, or maybe not this one, but just trying to give you an idea. There's that one. This one is beautiful. This is on a doily, like a lace doily, And this butterfly is all hand beaded. And actually I was almost going to keep this myself because I have the start of a journal, and I thought that this looked really pretty on here. So I was going to keep it. So beautiful. And then this is going to be a set of 5, and I am really struggling to list these because I just can't get the photography to look good. I'm just not set up for, I don't have good lighting for one thing, but this is a set of 5. So here, again, it feels like felt. Yeah. And this one says love, and that's all beaded. And this one says ABC. And this is a cute Tic Tac Toe Board. And this one is just like a plain. You could put whatever you want in here, or just leave it like this. And then there's another one. This is all beading here. I hope you can see that. And what I was thinking, not only could you put these on the cover, but what I was thinking, what I would probably use these for, see if I can find a good page here. I would probably use these as a fabric flip. Maybe this one could flip out. This one would be cute to flip up. So I thought that was a good idea for these. So that's a set of 1, 2, 3, a set of 5. And like I said, these aren't listed in my shop yet. Here's another one that is a doily. That's all hand beaded. This is kind of a not a pink, almost like a, I don't know what color you would call that, but it seems to be coming across pretty good in the camera there. Isn't that so pretty? Again, on the cover of a journal, this just would be so gorgeous. Again, not on this one probably, but all that hard work she puts into these. And then I think my most favorite one, this one is so elegant, so beautiful. This one you could put vertically like this or sideways like this. And let me put it on something dark so you can, this is just the back of a candy box that I'm going to make into a journal. But this one is another kind of doily that's fussy cut, and there's a beaded flower. It's just gorgeous. And on a journal cover, again, I don't really have the perfect journal for it right now, but you know, something like that, oh, it would be just so pretty. I wish I had a few more journals here. That kind of gives you an idea. I mean, gosh, talk about one of a kind. I think this one's my favorite. I just love this. So these are all of the hand beaded items that are going to be put in my shop eventually, unless you contact me and I'm able to sell them without listing them, then that would make me so happy. It's going to take me hours to get these into the shop. So those are these. And then, so beautiful. Then my mother has been working on some jewelry. Oh, wait, back up. Okay, so some other things Judy made are some more hand beaded items. They have loops on the end, so I was thinking that these would look really, really elegant on the spine of a journal. So this one is all hand beaded, red and black, and she even decorates the boxes for me. This one is a green and white. I mean, there are just so many beads in these. So much work went into these. This one this one has a ribbon on it, and I was thinking you could put it around a book, but I would be too concerned about it, so I would probably, again, use this on the spine, but I think this is my favorite. I love the colors of this one. So gorgeous. And then this one is a beautiful blue. So gorgeous. So if you can imagine having your journal on a bookshelf and having this go down the spine, just so beautiful. Okay, so those are those things. What's wrong with my grammar today? All right, then my mother has made some beautiful dangles for the sides of your journals. And this one, and I don't want to take them off. I don't want to take them off of this right now. But this one, so the top has one of these. You can take this off and just use the eyelet. I don't know jewelry terms. Just use that if you want to use a brad and stick it into your spine, but there's this as an option too. And this has the word believe, and it's kind of a pewter color, and it's just loaded with these little vintage keys and locks, and these are genuine glass beads. More little keys, a little heart charm. So pretty. Little heart charm. And then at the bottom the key says dreams. So again, this one I did get listed, but the photographs just don't look all that great, I have to admit. It doesn't look as good as what you can see on the camera here. So there are two of these that Mom made that are in the shop. She also made this one. And so you can see you can put a brad through the ring at the top. And this is hand beading. And then this is all handmade jewelry here, and there are charms and beads at the very end, at the very tips. So this is meant to hang off of the spine of your journal. And there are two of those. And then lastly, the last one that she made is something similar. There are glass beads, and these are a little glittery, and glass beads at the bottom. So pretty. And I just don't want to take these out. I know I probably should and hang them off a spine for you, but you guys have imagination. You can picture what it would look like on a spine. So, is that everything? Yeah, I think that's everything. So I appreciate you watching. It's so much quicker for me to do a 15-minute video than to spend an hour per item putting them in my shop. So I'm going to gradually chip away and get these into the shop. But like I said, if you're interested in anything here, then convo me and we'll have a chat. So would really appreciate you supporting my friend who's fallen on some hard times. We all need to stick together with the people who are really being affected by this virus. So we have such a wonderful community here. I knew that this would be the spot to showcase these. So I love you all. I hope you're doing well, and I'll see you in the next video when I'm done with all the business and the yucky stuff that go with running an Etsy shop. Okay, take care, everybody. Bye.